Good morning, day 20, Camino de Santiago.
So this morning we're leaving a little town called Bercianos, and we stayed at a albergue called Bercianos 1900 last night. It was very comfortable, some great food, had a really great night there.
So today, chance of some rain, about 50-50, some thunderstorms during the afternoon, so hopefully we can dodge those and get to where we're going today without getting wet.
All right, we better get going.
All right, buen camino.